tell you it's a golden ticket. A way out.
And that's why I only partner with firms like Apex Traders. No 9 to 5, no boss breathing down your neck. Just you, the market, and a $100,000 funded account. The fee? Think of it as an investment in yourself. A small price for a big future. Don't miss out.
Not just a job, but a key to freedom. And you believe them. Why wouldn't you? They look like you, talk like you. They just seem to have figured out the one secret you haven't. The website felt professional, solid, like a real financial institution. But it was also designed to feel like a game. Progress bars, badges for signing up, little dopamine hits to keep you moving forward. I didn't just jump in. I studied. I developed a strategy. I treated it like the most important exam of my life. Because it was. This was for my family. A way to finally get ahead. And it was working. My strategy was solid. I was disciplined. With one day left, I was just one good trade away from passing. One trade away from a funded account. It was a high-impact news event. I knew it could get volatile, but my stop-loss was tight. My profit target was right there. It should have been a clean win, but it wasn't. The platform froze. Then, a spike, a glitch. It happened so fast. I didn't lose the trade. It felt stolen. I failed. By a few dollars. They gave me the runaround. Blamed the market, blamed me, blamed anything but their platform. It was like talking to a wall designed to take your money and offer nothing in return. It was cryptic. But it was the first thing that didn't make me feel crazy. Someone else saw it too, or knew about it. It was beautiful. I wasn't just looking at a chart anymore. I was seeing the market, the raw data, flowing like a river. This was my power. I've always seen patterns others miss, but this was different. And there it was. Not a glitch. A predator. The system wasn't broken. It was designed this way. This time, I wasn't trading the market. I was hunting a monster. Glitch taught me how to see its patterns, how to anticipate its strikes. I spent days making small, careful trades, staying in the quiet corners of the market, away from the chaos where the serpent feeds. I was building my profit, one safe step at a time, waiting for my moment. I didn't just pass, I exposed him. The stream went viral in the trading community. Apex Traders was forced to pay out. I had won my first battle. But Glitch warned me. The jungle was full of predators. My next target was Fortress Funding. Their rules were a labyrinth. They weren't trying to trick you with glitches. They were trying to crush you with the fine print. Their CEO was a legend in the forums, Maximus Drawdown. It was a psychological trap. It punished success. But there was another, hidden weapon, a statistical trap designed for failure. A normal trading strategy wouldn't survive. So I didn't use a normal strategy. I became a scalper. Hundreds of trades for tiny profits, never giving the brute a big enough target to smash, never giving the whip a reason to crack. My equity curve wasn't a rocket ship. It was a slow, steady climb, the very definition of consistency. I beat him, and I published the proof. The shrinking cage was a myth. The house was rigged. I was finally funded. I thought I had made it. I was so naive. I did everything right. I followed the rules. I traded my strategy. I made a profit, a real profit. It was time to get paid. Time for this all to mean something. My request went into a black hole. Customer support stopped responding. I was a ghost in their system. And then, after 3 weeks of silence, I got the email. The Payout Phantom, the final boss. He let you win, let you taste it, and then snatched it away with a clause buried on page 47 of the Terms of Service. The very strategy I used to beat the other predators was now the reason they gave for stealing my earnings. He was the ultimate predator, the one who profits from your success by simply refusing to pay. But he made one mistake. It was never about just my money. It was about everyone they'd cheated. It was time to end the game. We put it all together. Every piece of evidence, every lie, every trick, every broken promise. We weren't just telling my story. We were telling the story of thousands of traders who had been chewed up and spit out by this predatory system. The video exploded. It was a firestorm. I never got my payout. But it didn't matter. We had hit them where it hurts. We had armed other traders with the truth. I had lost the battle for the money, but we were winning the war. She was right. This wasn't the end. It was just level 1.